Hey everybody, so today we got thirst quenchers. So we're gonna stay hydrated and put some thirst quenchers in the water. Oh, spilled a little bit. That's okay. That's okay. And take the lid and put it back on. Put that lid on and just shake it up. And you stay really hydrated out in the heat. Will be the fourth one today. And look what we got at the Salvation Army. Look at the price. $9.99 plus tax came to $10.48. It's a brand new Proctor Silex, never been used, brand new coffee maker. Wow, really awesome. Can't wait to make the first pot of coffee. Came with nice cardboard. We got some good coffee here. We got some good granulated sugar for great value from Walmart. And we got some great value original creamer, coffee creamer, really good. What else we got? We got some great value size classic roast ground coffee. So let's make this pot of coffee. Put some water, put it in, fill right up. Which way do you think fills faster? It's filling. Oh yeah. All done. We're gonna take it. We're gonna pour it in. This is the first time making coffee in this brand new coffee maker. I really like it. It's really nice. I'm gonna have some coffee now. I'm gonna have some coffee tomorrow. It's gonna be really good. Pour that out. Then we'll get our coffee filters. We got coffee filters, also from Walmart. Take a nice coffee filter. Try to get it out. I'm gonna open that up. There. It's not the right shape coffee filter, but we're gonna make it work. Use what we got. So we're gonna use what we got. I'm gonna pour it in. Oh. I have to bring back these coffee filters to the homeless shelter and get some proper coffee filters. Oh, that's really close. Did we spill any? No, didn't spill any. There we go. We're gonna plug it in. We're gonna press power. Boom, it's brewing. We're in business. Well, it looks like I got the wrong coffee filter. So it got all clogged, and I'll have to get the right kind of coffee filter tomorrow.